this is Elisa with WTI. If you love organizing your home, then a label maker is a must. Let me show you why. I truly appreciated this label maker from Brother. This has been such a nice project to label all my items. You're gonna see that the labels are very high quality, they're easy to print, and they are laminated. I really enjoyed labeling everything at home that didn't have a label before. I started in my kitchen and I ended with the cleaning supplies. This project didn't take much because this is such an efficient label maker and very easy to use. You just literally turn it on and you type any word you would like to print. You can change the font and the text and you print it. You're gonna see that once it's printing, it's gonna automatically cut. So there's nothing else you have to do but just paste it on the item. Organizing your items makes everything so much easier. So this is a must, and that is my point of view.